हेलो फ्रेंड, माय नेम इज़ निशन। स्वागत है आपका साइंस एंड सागर में। तो देखते हैं आज इकोनॉमिक्स के क्वेश्चन। विच अमंग द फॉलोइंग इम्पोज अ ग्रेटर बर्डन रिलेटिव टू सोर्स ऑन द पुअर देन द रिच। तो रिग्रेसिव, निम्न में से कौन सा अमीरों की तुलना में गरीबों पर संशोधन के संपेक्ष अधिक बोझ डालता है? तो प्रतिगामी कर। अ रिग्रेसिव इज द वन इज विच टैक्स रेट डिक्रीज एज द अमाउंट सब्जेक्ट टू टैक्सेशन इंक्रीज। Taxation increase and the tax rate progress from high to low. The lowest amount is subjected to higher taxation, and this lead to an individual with the low income bear the highest burden of regressive tax. Such tax does not take in account ability to pay. What do we call a situation when the government meet the gap of the public expenditure and public revenue by printing new currency? तो deficient finance. The Reserve Bank of India was established 1935. Major Indian Commercial Bank of country was nationalized July 1969. Which among the following clear show that the core strength of a bank denote a bank margin safety net worth? Which among the following is the shortest name of the highest authority in India for indirect tax? CBEC. What is a subtract from personal income to get personal disposable income? Direct tax. Personal disposable income is obtained when the personal direct tax are subtract from the personal income. PDI personal income minus direct tax. PDI consumption plus saving. Which of the following activity come under the primary sector? Fishing, pisciculture and apiculture. In the primary sector of the economy, activities are undertaken by directly using natural resource. Agriculture, mining, fishing, forestry, dairy are the some example of the sector. It is also called as agriculture and allied sector. अर्थव्यवस्था के प्राथमिक क्षेत्र में गतिविधियों को सीधे प्राकृतिक संसाधनों का उपयोग करके किया गया है. What type of loan is granted by bank for purchase of white good? सफ़ेद वस्तुओं को खरीद के लिए बैंक के द्वारा किस प्रकार का ऋण दिया जाता है? पर्सनल लोन. Which of the following loan are granted for meeting social financial commitment like a marriage? Consumption loan. Which of the following organization provide credit history of the borrower? CIBIL. The Credit Information Bureau is owned by the bank and other lending institution in India. It is the repository of the information containing the credit history of the commercial and consumer borrowers. CBIL aim to provide the information to the member in the form of CBL credit report. Loan advance to firm is known as priority sector loan. FRBM stand for fiscal responsibility and budget management. Which of the following type of account is a special kind of term deposit in which amount save in monthly basis? RD account.